Alright, I'm Jake and welcome back to Cunning Sense. We're going to be doing some pack opening and some card purchasing, and I'll explain how all that works here as we go through it. So generally, whenever there is packs out, you can purchase them right here in the shop. Like I said earlier, they've announced Chaos Legion. I don't know the exact date that's coming out yet, but it's coming out soon. So, like I said in the last video, I'll definitely probably buy, I don't know, 5 or 10 packs probably early on, just so I can maybe get some of the airdrops, because free stuff's awesome. And here's the market. You can purchase cards here. They all have the price. As far as I can tell, whenever I've looked up some of the cards I've been looking at, they generally follow on AtomicHub, which is another marketplace you can buy them on. I like buying stuff here just because it's to get wax. I just buy it on Bittrex and then transfer it over. It costs like 0.1 wax to transfer with a 45-cent fee, so most of my money comes over easily and quickly into this marketplace where I can buy cards and packs easily. But the ones I was interested in are like, I'm going to buy some of these, the light ones, the life ones, cards just to increase my pack there, because I've got a legendary summoner, but I don't have that many legendary cards. I'm also going to buy some beta cards here, mainly just because they're the beta cards, so they're early, and I'm hoping that long term they'll eventually increase in value a little bit there. So after thinking about it, I only have 2,800 credits, so we're going to get some of these that we might want or need a little bit more. We're going to buy the baby unicorn, increase their health. Should be 663 credits. We get some of these life cards to increase everything, and then we'll spend the rest of it down on some beta cards. This is all it is. It's just searching through, hitting buy, and waiting for a load screen. It's normally not this long. The card packs when they release are generally 2,000, so I could save this for a card pack, but I think I'd rather have some individual cards. That will help me more in the immediate future. Like this guy. And that's what we're going to do, just purchase some and then we'll get into some pack opening. So on AtomicHub, which I think is the easiest place to just buy other stuff, you can sort by the type of packs. They still sell alpha. People are still selling their alpha packs, so I mean they're 64 bucks. I don't think you'll ever make your return on that. Beta packs, people are still selling those for 15 bucks. So I mean you can buy pretty much any pack, but what I'm worried about right now is Untamed, and that's what I'm gonna buy all of my wax worth of. And I'll just pop back in after I've got all these, and we'll open everything up. So as you can see here, I've got 5 packs. I figured I should show you all this just because it's good to know. To transfer it, you just enter the wax account, and the wax account you're sending it to is this Splinterlands. So you just type that in, make sure you have it right, because if you don't, it'll fail and you'll lose it. And in the bottom here, you just write your username, and once they receive it, they upload it straight to your account, and then it's available there a few minutes later for you to do almost whatever, pretty much whatever you want with it in the game. So you just hit send, and successfully sent. So I'll do this the other 4, and then we'll get back in the game. So there we go, they're all here. all my packs. Looks like I got some doubles. Because each pack has 5, so... Looks like I got at least 3 doubles, which isn't that bad considering the number of cards there is. Oh, nice, I didn't have that one. Oh no, Lobstradamus. I love the punny names in this game. Sporcerer, Lobstradamus. They're great. Everything about this game. I have virtually no complaints. Looks like we're not getting a legendary. These will be the, yeah, 2 herbalists and 3. Oh, no. Oh, there's another multiple. 2 and 2, yeah. Alright, all in all, not bad. I'm not upset about it anyway. Got some I didn't have, multiples of others, so I can level up cards or maybe sell them on the market later. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. All I've got to do is look for some of these and buy up some ones I don't have for hopefully fair prices. But that's pretty easy, and I already showed you how to do it, so y'all aren't going to want to watch me go through one at a time. Well, that's pretty much it. All I'm going to do now is go through here and buy some of these that I don't have to help widen my life portfolio, to help me out there a little bit more. But that's it. Well, till the next one, I'm Jake. Thanks for watching.